Folks, have you ever been sitting at your computer for a long period of time and said to yourself,
My mouth is dry, my butt is numb?
well, that's what my video is about today. It's about 5 tips I can give you if you just started video editing. Now, these days, there are so many ways to edit video. You got TikTok, you got CapCut, Instagram coming out with a new in-app video editing software, you got Premiere, you got DaVinci, you got Final Cut Pro, you're probably gonna need some AI editing app.
It's gonna come out down the pipeline and pretty much edit videos for you.
But right now, you still gotta edit some of your own videos and you still gotta do your own thing. And here are 5 tips that I have learned over the last, 10 years of video editing that have really helped me, and hopefully to any beginner video editors, no matter how you're editing, these will help you. Get yourself a comfy chair. Now, when I first started video editing, I was just doing it at like a kitchen table. I would do it on my couch. Anywhere I could find a flat surface to edit video. A, that kills your back. If you're editing on a laptop, it's gonna make your lap all warm, and it's gonna make your butt numb. You don't want a numb butt, you don't want a curved back, and you don't want a warm lap. Get yourself a comfy chair. Number 2, external hard drive. Now, whether you're editing on your phone, on your laptop, on a desktop, and on your abacus, however you're gonna video edit, you need an external hard drive to put all that footage on. Because even if it's on your phone, if you're gonna be doing a lot of videos, you should just dump all those videos on an external hard drive if you ever really wanna get to the raw footage. I mean, you could just delete it too, but hey, you may wanna reuse those videos someday. And you don't have to worry about having it live on your device that you wanna edit on. Because A, it'll slow down those devices if you just keep filling it up with footage, and it just makes your life so much easier to have all the footage stored away on one little device. You'll plug it in when you want to use it, when you want to get to that footage. Get yourself an external hard drive, dump all that footage on there. Keystrokes. Knowing the shortcuts, knowing how to move things quicker, so you don't just have to constantly manually do it. There are keystrokes in CapCut, there are keystrokes in Final Cut Pro, Premiere, Avid, DaVinci. Whatever you're choosing to learn right off the bat, there's so many quicker ways to probably do a simple task. But honestly, the first few years, I just thought I was doing everything manually. And that while that did help me because I was able to learn how I could do things quicker, if I just kind of committed to learning the keystrokes early on, it would have saved me a lot of time in the past. So learn the shortcuts, learn the keystrokes, learn ways that you can manipulate the program to make your life a lot easier and quicker. Number 4, label stuff. Make sure that you label your footage. There were so many times early on when I was editing that I would just put, like, I wouldn't label it. I would just put all the footage on my desktop, leave it all there, then shoot something new, then put it all there. And I would have like 6,0,0,0,1 clips. When you first start shooting stuff and you're editing, you're not really thinking about that. You're just like, I just want to make funny content. 2 months later, you have all this footage. You're like, what did I shoot? What is this for? I don't know. What am I doing with this? It's gonna be good for you in the long run to label your footage. Even just putting the date on it. Put the date on it so then you know, oh, that's a different date than that. Don't get frustrated. If you're just learning how to video edit, there's so many different functions that these programs can do. There's so many different ways to manipulate these programs. I know for myself, when I remember trying to even put a transition on, like the very first month I tried to edit, I was getting so annoyed and frustrated by the most simplest things that now I can do it like with a snap. Take advantage of the software and really utilize what these programs can offer, but just don't get frustrated. And bonus tip, get yourself a cup of water, some breath mints, some gum, because the one thing is you snack a lot when you edit. I'll snack on chips, candies, chocolates, because you're just sitting at your computer just looking at the same clip over and over and over. It's great snacking time. Get yourself some mints, some gum, some water to really kind of satiate that appetite. Now, video editing is so much fun. It is so great. And there's so many free programs too. DaVinci has a free program you download. CapCut, you can get a free program. Final Cut Pro is one flat fee. Premiere is a monthly rate, but you can get like student fees, and it's really not that bad. And Premiere has a lot of perks because they are constantly updating. So it just depends what you can afford and what you want to dive into. At the end of the day, video editing is just fun, and you can really create some really fun and hilarious content if you just commit to it. Hopefully these 5 tips have helped. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any other tips that you want to let people know about. Thank you so much for watching.